Hey, Steno peeps, welcome back to another dictation. Today we're doing a literary all around the results of the verdict with Donald J. Trump inside of the court drama taking place. So be sure to set your speed controller and let's dive in. Ready? Begin. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, we convene here today to discuss the landmark case involving former President Donald J. Trump, who has been found guilty on all 34 charges brought against him. The case has captured the attention of the nation and serves as a significant moment in the annals of American jurisprudence. I will provide a detailed summary of the verdict, the repercussions, and the extraordinary fundraising efforts that followed. On the matter of the charges, the court meticulously examined each count levied against Mr. Trump. The indictment included a range of offenses from financial mismanagement to obstruction of justice. Specifically, the charges encompassed allegations of fraudulent business practices, falsification of financial records, and attempts to influence witnesses. Throughout the trial, the prosecution presented a compelling case, substantiated by a wealth of evidence. Key witnesses, including former associates and employees, provided testimony that was instrumental in painting a comprehensive picture of the alleged misconduct. The prosecution argued that Mr. Trump engaged in these actions with the intent to deceive and manipulate financial markets, enrich himself unlawfully, and obstruct legal proceedings. The defense, on the other hand, sought to undermine the credibility of witnesses and evidence presented by the prosecution. They argued that the charges were politically motivated and that Mr. Trump's actions, if at all improper, did not rise to the level of criminal conduct. Despite their efforts, the jury found the evidence against Mr. Trump to be overwhelming and irrefutable. As the jury foreman read the verdict, guilty on all 34 counts, the courtroom was enveloped in a palpable silence. The gravity of the situation was not lost on anyone present. Mr. Trump, seated with his legal team, remained stoic as the verdict was delivered. The judge thanked the jury for their diligence and impartiality throughout the proceedings, acknowledging the complexity and significance of the case. In terms of repercussions, the guilty verdict carries substantial implications for Mr. Trump. Sentencing is scheduled to take place in the coming weeks, and he faces the possibility of significant prison time, substantial fines, and other legal penalties. Moreover, this verdict may have far-reaching effects on his ability to engage in future business ventures and his political aspirations. Concurrently, the aftermath of the verdict has seen an unprecedented surge in political fundraising. Within 6 hours of the verdict being announced, Mr. Trump's campaign reported raising a staggering $34.8 million. This extraordinary figure underscores the deep and enduring support he retains among his base. The funds are likely to be used to bolster his legal defense, support his political activities, and potentially finance appeals against the verdict. This case stands as a testament to the principle that no one is above the law, regardless of their status or position. It also highlights the intricate balance between legal accountability and political dynamics in contemporary America. In closing, we reflect on the importance of upholding the rule of law and ensuring that justice is served. The judicial system has once again demonstrated its capacity to adjudicate complex and high-profile cases with fairness and integrity. As we await the sentencing, the nation will undoubtedly continue to watch closely, with keen interest in the unfolding legal and political ramifications of this historical verdict. Okay, that is all the tea, and that is a wrap for now with the Donald J. Trump case. If you would like to hear more dictations like this one, please be sure to subscribe. Go back, check out previous videos that you can study and practice your writing too, and I will see you on the next dictation.